He's going to create his next bestseller. He's going to improvise his next bestseller. We're going to see it come to life behind him with these three actors. So for this game, I need a genre of literature.
Classical anime.
Let's go with classical anime.
Classical anime. Okay.
Classical anime. And now I need a title for this epic for this book. Can we just buy anything? I like Boom Shakalaka. Boom Shakalaka, the classical anime.
Classical anime.
Good luck.
Let's get under there. Okay. Boom Shakalaka. A classical anime novel by Rob. Chapter 1. Francois was born deep in the forest. To his parents, Kina and Pina. Kina and Pina knew Francois was destined for greatness. They looked at him when he was born and said,
"He is the chosen one."
Indeed he is.
That kid looks nothing like me. I can almost see what he's going to look like as a full-grown adult.
Unfortunately, they would never see him as a full-grown adult. For at that very moment, an earthquake struck.
Be careful of that. Oh my God!
The buildings started collapsing around them.
I will save you! Run!
But they both sheltered Francois' body with their own so that he would survive while they perished.
Oh, I'm gonna perish probably. Hurry, son! Save yourself!
Francois fortunately narrowly escaped.
Help! I've fallen and I
This
can't.
building's heavy, son. You should probably escape now.
Francois, escape.
I'm trying.
Don't escape your knee any farther.
That was really comfortable.
I'm feeling good now.
Chapter 2. 18 years later, Francois is a young man, still mourning the loss of his parents.
I have tears running down my cheeks.
When suddenly, he is approached by an elderly guru. The guru informs him his parents' death was no accident.
You know, your parents' death wasn't an accident.
He goes on to inform him who was responsible for his parents' death.
In addition to faulty contractors, there was an evil wizard who caused a tectonic shift in the plain old regional thingamabobber. A power we haven't seen ever in bad cartoon drawing.
Why do I feel like you just beamed down from Starship Enterprise?
Perhaps I did.
The stranger revealed the name of this mysterious wizard to Francois.
Her name is Stacy.
Francois swore he must get revenge on Stacy.
I must get revenge on Stacy!
You are not ready.
Oh,
You must train
oh,
in a grueling and badly choreographed montage.
The strange old man led Francois through a training montage.
Left, right, left, right, left, right. Oh, not good enough. Down, more push-ups.
Francois had to undergo one final test, which the old man knew Francois would fail.
There's one final test that I know you're probably going to fail, but I'm going to make you do anyway.
you old man, darn you old man.
Yes.
It would be the ultimate test of Francois' strength, faith, and nobility.
I want you to go into a Starbucks.
I love caramel frappuccino.
Francois entered the Starbucks. The friendly cashier behind the counter was waiting. There was no lying even. Francois could order right away.
How can I help you, sir? My name's Stacy.
All I want is a little cup of water. I can't do it! I want a Bente vanilla caramel frappuccino.
She gave him the Bente caramel frappuccino.
Luckily, I just made one. Here, take it now.
He drank it. And Stacy cackled at him at the power she had over him.
I don't even care. It's so delicious.
Francois ran out of the Starbucks in shame
I feel so ashamed.
as Tracy taunted him. Stacy taunted him as he left.
Ha ha! You weak, weak earthling!
Chapter 3. Francois went back into the forest to find the mysterious old man and relate the story of his failure at the Starbucks.
I smell pinochle and backgammon. That old man is around here.
So then I told him, go to a Starbucks and don't order anything. Oh, my prized people.
Yes.
What guidance do you require?
Francois told him of his failure at the Starbucks.
I could not resist the vanilla bean caramel frappuccino of the Venti size.
The old man told him the significance of this failure.
What this failure truly means is you have not learned to put others above yourself, as do all people who frequent Starbucks.
With this knowledge, Francois knew he could confront and defeat Stacy.
As long as next time I can use tap and go payment, I can have every power I want over Stacy.
You have not learned a thing.
Francois boldly went back to the Starbucks.
This is my bold walk, Stacy.
He kicked open the door.
No, this is my bold walk, Stacy.
Stacy was behind the counter cackling at him. But she realized this was not the same Francois she so easily defeated before.
Who have you become? Why, you look strong enough to have self-control over this venti decaf cafe vanilla frappuccino light with white mocha syrup and no whip.
I went to Malibu Awakenings, and I am past my addiction.
Stacy knew this was the final confrontation, so she unleashed the full flurry of her powers in a very blinding, seizure-inducing flurry.
Smell it! And feel it all over you! Seize! Seize!
Ninth step is forgiveness. Ninth step, remember mindfulness.
Then Stacy unleashed her earth control powers, unleashed the tectonic power of the tectonic plates. The entire earth shook.
Whoa!
I'm feeling a little sick.
So then I told him to go back. Whoa, did you guys feel that?
Francois did not falter. He saw a gap he saw a channel in the earth open up, a great canyon. He knew he could push Stacy into it.
Stacy!
No! You cannot defeat me! I am a wizardess!
I'm going to be polite and not touch you. I want you to get into that canyon now.
She was so polite she got into the canyon since she knew he would defeat her.
How did I get so polite?
The earth closed and swallowed her up.
Ooh, man.
And Francois was free of his guilt and his burden for the death of his parents at last.
Oh, I am so happy. It was not my fault. It was Stacy.
He went back to the mysterious old man one last time to tell him of his triumph.
You have no power over me anymore, old man. I have killed off Stacy and her frappuccino ways.
And then the old man revealed his true identity to Francois.
Well, little did you know, I'm your father.
To be continued.